Tamang-tama para sa araw ng mga puso, itong ating low-carb strawberry yogurt mousse cake. So, syempre, ang pinaka-base muna ang gawin natin, bake the butter cake according to the recipe instructions. And then after that, syempre, dapat naka-ready na rin ang yung strawberry jam, sugar-free strawberry jam, kasi yun yung imimix natin sa ating yogurt mousse. By the way, yung cake nga pala, nilagyan din natin ng strawberry chunks. And the best talaga ay fresh strawberries, sliced strawberries para malasahan talaga sa bawat kagat kapag in-incorporate natin dito sa ating butter cake. Kinote natin siya ng coconut flour para hindi lumubog yung ating mga strawberry bits inside the cake. So after baking this one, cool down, and then syempre prepare na rin natin yung ating strawberry yogurt mousse. Okay, so according to the recipe, gawin mo lang yung ating yogurt cheese frosting and then i-mix natin yung ating sugar-free strawberry jam. So in that way, meron ka ng yogurt mousse. And syempre magandang ilagay ito sa cake kapag medyo chilled na ito. Alright, so again, assemble your cake as per our demo video here. And I hope you make this and enjoy. God bless!